Okay, so these are the extra parts. I'm sure they don't go anywhere because they are just extra. This is for the next one. As you can see, all the parts I was looking at are now built. So now, truck is in this shape. So I think the next bag would be bonnet. So the doors open like that, and then there's a full cabin, so you can even adjust the seats. There's suspension on the seat. You can adjust the everything basically. These are the doors. All still works. Okay, so the steering on the other side is basically also linked to this knob here. So if I turn this, I can use this knob to turn it from outside. The smokestacks. Funny thing about all this is these are all standard Lego pieces except for these panels here. They're all standard. So they're all built for those little parts that was seen in the last video. These are the steps. There's even a fuel tank under there that you can't see. Okay. Now after the front is done, we'll start building the trailer which will attach to here. There's a locking mechanism like so. Trailer locking mechanism.